By the way, I forgot you were sitting here, and I was just in the office telling everyone jokes and stories, just waiting for you, and you've just been in the car. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm like, where
2018, we're back. Why, LA? Why? This rain is terrible. You know what's even worse? What? Bringing a white interior car when it's raining everywhere.
And today's not a good hair day.
So let's head out to Galpin, because right now it seems like the right thing to do.
Did Corey show you the picture of Santa Barbara?
Yeah. Oh, the 101 was completely
flooded underwater.
So we should get a boat and go to Santa Barbara.
Oh, you want to go to Galpin and just see what's the best car for a day like this?
Rain.
You want to do that?
Hey. Okay. Let's do that.
Let's go. Is that a wide-body molester van?
It is.
With lights? You just turn the lights on.
God!
That's actually cool. What the heck is that thing?
Whoa.
That truck, that F-150, is called a Lightning.
It has even a step on the side.
Yeah. I don't remember much about the car. We gotta ask Tommy.
SVT F-150. So remember back then when they used... No, I actually don't know anything about this.
I'll quiz you. What the SVT stands for? Ford SVT.
Super Veloce truck.
Close.
What?
Special Vehicles Team? I think.
You don't even know.
No, I do. It's
know.
Special Vehicles. All right.
You don't even know.
All right,
we'll ask Tommy.
right.
We'll ask Tommy. Get out of here. Look, that's how he pretends to be working. And this is the first place Tommy brought us into. This is what?
This is Bose Focus RS, and what we did is we put the drift stick on it from Ford Performance. This part isn't out for the public yet. They were supposed to release it in January, and then they pushed it to March, I believe. So this is the first one.
What's it called?
It's called the drift stick.
Just so you know, that's a fuckery stick, everyone.
Wait, so Tommy, you're saying you pull that?
Yeah, so you...
And then the back wheels just grab, and the car drifts like a bad boy, baby.
Pretty much when you pull back on this drift stick, the actuator sends a pulse to this ABS solenoids in the back, locks the back wheels, and then you can swing the car around.
So it's without touching the brakes?
Without touching the brakes.
Oh!
Back wheels lock, and you can go ahead and drift.
Wow!
Yeah, whatever you think.
You know what this is great for?
No.
I've always wanted to go into a parking spot. Like,
just so we all know, he'll never be able to do that with that.
I will.
No. The amazing thing, okay, so the amazing thing about those Farghini is when we were young, we had the e-brake.
Yeah.
But you know what the e-brake does?
It just locks up the rear wheels.
With the brake.
Yeah.
Now you're not destroying your brakes.
Right.
It's sending an electronic message telling the wheels lock, and the wheels will lock.
It's a sophisticated way. Way of.
It's the white version of that. Now, why are you guys putting condoms on my CGT,
We're just
Tommy?
trying to make sure that no contaminants get in there.
Hey, guys, one thing about Galpin,
They're safe.
Play safe. Always put a glove
This
on.
is why you look so good in here, Farghini, because you're a safe friend.
Yeah, exactly. Look at this.
Always wrap it, people.
Who else wraps their hubs?
So I think, Tommy, is it ready now for a clear bra?
It is ready.
So that's what we're gonna be doing now, guys. Everyone asking, what's happening with the CGT? What was happening was the paint was curing. It was just sitting here, literally waiting for the damn thing to dry. How long does it take, Tommy?
About a month,
Before you can do
what
that.
the conditions are, but about a month until you should be able to have a cured paint that you could clear bra.
Nice. So this looks... I didn't even think about that when I was looking at these. These are sandbags.
So light, yes.
Yeah.
The vehicle's so light that if we don't have these here, we want to teeter back on the lift. So we need to weigh it down on this end. Usually we have one of the mechanics sit on it, but he's busy, so we're having.
Also, I just want to point something out. These two bags weigh more than Alejandro.
You were asking, what's the F-150 Lightning? You have one back there.
What is it?
Yeah.
So Ford, the SVT program, Special Vehicle Program, came out with a Lightning back in '93 on the first F-150. It was a long time ago, and then they kept on going with that. But it became a very niche product that people really didn't follow as much as they're following the Raptors. The Raptors blew up.
Yeah.
The Lightning was very popular for what it was, but it kind of died out, and Ford saw that segment was ending, so they started the Raptor segment, which is focused more off-road as opposed to the kind of street racing or kind of the performance racing enthusiasts.
What does SVT stand for?
Nope.
Specialty Vehicles Team.
I don't think Farsha got it right.
Vehicles, either Special Vehicles Team or Special.
What do you mean?
I think I got it right. I haven't played it back.
Special Vehicles Team? I think.
You don't even know.
No, I do.
Wait a second. This is really the same one that Paul Walker drove in Fast and the Furious 1.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So these are legendary, Tommy. You're right. Holy shit. And you can even step on them on the side. Whoa. I mean, it certainly looked way better in the movie when I didn't.
Is this a supercharger?
Yeah, this is a supercharger unit from the factory, so you can see the blower right there.
Wait, is that factory?
That's the filter.
We always talk about the Canaan. Remember back in the day? We get 4 more horsepower.
Hang on, when you get your first car, what's the first thing you're gonna do to your car? The air filter, whatever brand it is, the air filter. We were so ghetto in Mexico, we wouldn't even change the filter, we would just open up ours. Legit. Shout out to all my peeps. That's how he burps. Hey, I didn't tell you the good news, but
the good news?
Tommy's gonna loan us a Raptor for like 2 days.
Nah, get out of here.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
The weather's so bad that we were like, oh, Tommy, how can we get there? He was like, guys, just really try the Raptor. So, are you pumped?
It's incredible.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So there's Tommy's. That's his Raptor, by the way.
That's a badass Raptor.
It is a really badass Raptor. Tommy just gave me like a fucking proper schooling on the Raptor. I don't know how much you know about it. Nothing. So this has the same engine as the 4GT. It's a V6 EcoBoost. And look at the size. 450 horsepower, but Tommy's saying there's a company that does a tune with an intercooler that takes it 100 horsepower more, but they're saying that it's underestimated, that the car can do better than that.
So we could be in this, possibly the 600 range?
So this would be normally a $70,000 car, but with all the shit that it has, it's $125,000. Can I show you all the stuff that it has? Let's go on the front, come on. I'm gonna start with the obvious. It's got a lot of lights and a lot of carbon fiber. This bumper is separate from the lights. These two are added, right? So these are 2 different things in here. You see the 4 letters in carbon fiber?
Yeah.
That's added. You see the carbon fiber on top there?
Yeah.
That's added. And then you're gonna come here and you're gonna have kind of like the wide body effect on carbon fiber that they did. Obviously added the wheels, more off-roading wheels.
Yeah.
In here they have another type of suspension. So that takes the car up 2 inches and a quarter.
Yeah.
And whenever you're off-roading, you can take a lot more shit. You see this piece of metal right here?
Yeah.
That kind of looks stock, right? Like it should be there.
Yeah.
It's not. This is actually to stop rocks from hitting the body of the car, which the 4x4 doesn't have. This is really, really smart. Also, this is not stock. Like I said, they added it on, or you can add the stepper that comes out, but it's plastic. People that like to go off-roading, that's the real deal.
You know what I love about everything about this? I know it's a truck, but it's like everything's like hit on.
Yeah, I know. And then come here, even this. This is even better. So you see the lights that you got here, obviously.
Yeah.
You see the lights up here.
Yeah.
And then they added those cannons right there.
That's a lot of lights.
Those normally go on the top because they produce so much light.
Yeah.
And what matters in this is how intense the light can be thrown. And these are the most intense on the market. Back here, they did the same thing with the suspension. They modified the suspension. Do you know why they modded it on the back?
I don't.
They modded on the back so that, I don't know if you've seen pickup trucks normally, because you're gonna put heavy shit on the back.
Yeah.
They tilt like this.
Yeah.
So they want this to look flat at all times.
Got it.
So that's that. And whenever you throw weight on it, it adjusts.
It still
exactly.
stays
And
flat.
now on the back, they went fucking crazy. But before the back, why? There's so much carbon fiber on these things. Look at that. It's just delicious. And also, no. The bumper, you're absolutely right. It's just like the other one. It needs metal.
Still fiber.
How badass is that?
This is really
And also the exhaust is different.
Here's something no other country will ever beat us.
What?
Trucks.
Nah, no question about it. No one has anything on it. And this is your favorite part of each pickup truck, the rack. So this has a reverse rack.
It's like
It doesn't go up, but it goes in.
It's an internal rack.
So normally when you want to go ham off-roading, where it connects there, you put like another spring or some shit so that whenever the car really flies, can take a lot of weight when it lands. But they didn't put it in this one. They went more with this setup, which they can easily adapt it to that. 2 wheels back here, because they say when you're off-roading at 100 miles an hour, which Tommy's crazy for doing that
Wait,
shit.
hold on. What did you say? 100 miles an hour?
Yeah, he goes to the fucking, dude, he goes to the middle of nowhere, drives it for 100 miles an hour, and the fucking car's going like that.
Okay, we need Tommy. Tommy's done doing dangerous stuff. Tommy, you're done doing that. You can only go 55.
I agree. Thank you. This is where you're gonna put all of your stuff. Everything is secured within the rack, and even better, back there you have one for gas and one for water in case anything happens.
When the world ends, like you're good to go.
Oh, you can run anyone over.
Remember we talked about like what vehicle would we have when the world ends? Like this is a great one too.
I would make it bulletproof. You wanna see the interior? Look how spacious these are. Oh, and there's carbon fiber goodness everywhere. You know what that is?
What is that?
I call that the Mexican window. Because when you're Mexican, you have your homies on the back. And I don't mean this in a disrespectful way. I mean, it's more fun to take your homies to the beach together.
Yeah.
So you pull that up and you pass the Coronas.
In Mexico.
Yeah. No. When we go to the beach.
You can't have, first of all, you can't drive on the beach. And you can't have alcohol on the beach.
Whew. Okay, we're home. It's dark. But before I actually let you guys go, I'm gonna go get Farghini because he established something really awesome for you guys. For all of our guys that wanna make some money while they're just sitting on their couch and you just have an internet connection and you can do this, Farghini's created something for you guys. It's an affiliate program, marketing for Puku Pals. So you can make money without putting any money into anything. Let me go get Farghini and explain to you. And it's also for you guys to learn about affiliate marketing programs, not just the Puku Pals one, because there's a lot of money to be made there and there's a lot of people that just sit at home doing this all day. So it's important that it's understood, and I think the best way of understanding it will be through our product that you guys are familiar with. So let's go get Farghini. Farghini, I already set the stage for you. Corey, I'm sorry, I'm gonna put you on the vlog. This is Corey, the genius man and the mastermind behind everything that you're about to hear from Farghini. I already said that you're gonna be explaining affiliate marketing for Puku Pals exclusively right now, so hit us with it.
Basically, go to Puku Pals. We'll put the. Do we have the technology to put the link in the?
Yeah, of course. We have the technology to put the description down below.
You go there, you sign up, right? If we approve you, then you get a link, right? Basically, you provide that link. When someone clicks that link, it takes them to Puku Pals, and behind the scenes, whatever Corey did, it records like everything that's happening. And if someone buys that bag, you get 10% commission.
As a referral fee.
As a referral fee.
But the 10% commission is a generous one, right, Corey?
Well, I mean,
What are standards?
normal, probably 5%. So we're basically doubling what other people are doing.
Double.
And that's what this guy wanted to do, because we have a lot of people that are young entrepreneurs that want to make some money. They don't know how to start. Affiliate marketing is a great way of starting. Again, we're doing it and explaining with Puku Pals because it's easy to understand for everyone, but it's
So basically, you don't have to buy any inventory. You don't have to build any, like there's nothing you need to do. You just have to promote this link, promote the bag.
Yeah.
You get paid for every bag that you sell.
and that gives you a really nice real world experience as to how sales go. So you can get some rejection in the real world. You can make some sales, be proud of it, see what you're good and what you're bad at. And that's at least a good way to start.
And a top seller, Alejandro's gonna give him some dope.
Look at me.
I don't remember saying that.
Man, if I had a condom on my hub 7 years ago.
Oh, oh my God.